Welcome back. The first thing we need to do is to create our box, and what I have here is just 1-inch boxes. Like the width and the breadth is 1 inch. So each box, as you can see, is 1 inch, both the width and the breadth. So after that, you can now decide the type of Canadian smoking that you want. So I'll be doing just 2 types now. And to start with, I'm going to start with the first row, and I'm going to start by creating my design. So I'll leave this, come to the next box, leave this, then to the next box. As I will continue. Then on the second box, I'm going to start by, since I have a mark here, I'll leave this, then I'll come to the next box. But this time around, actually it depends on whatever design you're trying to make. So now my design is coming to the other side like this. Then I'm going to skip this and continue, skip. For this, now I'm going to leave this next box, then move to the other one. Now since we have our first design on this line, the beginning, the first one here is going to come this way. Okay, to avoid this type of mistake, you can just use your ruler to do all this. Now, as you can see, whatever you have on your pattern is what you're going to transfer on your fabric, just the way it is. Now we're going to start by first picking this. From this point, I'm going to secure this, then to this point. So I'm going to continue the same process. So back to this. We are going to continue the same process all through from the first line, come back to the second line. So we are going to continue with this process all through. Once we are done with the first row, we move to the second row and we'll continue. You can use it to form you can use it to make skirts, not necessarily, or it's not limited to sleeves alone. You can make different designs like a padded blouse. Yes, I'm actually planning on doing this to make a padded blouse design, which I'll be doing in some of my tutorials. You'll see them coming up. You can make your skirts, a padded blouse, just the front of your padded blouse, and you're good. So just continue with the same process, and in my next tutorial I'm going to be making another design of this same Canadian smoking, but it's going to be another design entirely. And in case you find this tutorial interesting, don't forget to like and share, because there is somebody out there that needs this presently. Yes, so like and share. And if you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, as I'll be there to answer your comments. So this is what the first row is going to look like. As soon as we are done with this, we move to the next row like that, and you have your leaf pattern. Now we can see how it looks on the inside, and on the outside of the fabric, this is how it looks like. This is beautiful, and I'm going to make a skirt with it. Now we're going to continue. Okay, let's start from this point. Just pick the first point, make sure you secure your thread, and I'm going to follow this pattern. So this is the next box, picking it from this point, but now I am not going to tighten it, just leave it the way it is. You can see. Then I am going to secure my thread. Then this is the line on the box. So I'll pick the next point and pull it. I'll secure the two. Then to the next box, I'm going to pick from this point. So now I'm not going to tighten it, just leave it like that. Secure your thread. Then the same line where it's connected, I'm going to pick the other points and pull. We're going to follow the same process until we are done. Until we are done.